In the previous video, we installed the Apple container service. In this video, we're going to start it. So let's jump right in. It says now here to start the system service with this container system start. Okay, so let's go back to my terminal. And I run that command and we're going to see what happens. I get this message here. Let's see what it says in the documentation. It doesn't say anything in here. Let's see. I'm just going to open this link and let's see what shows up there. Okay, so this is where we're at. I'm getting this message. If you have not installed a Linux kernel, the command will prompt you to install one. Okay, so it seems that I have to accept that then. I'm just going to type Y here. Well, the default is Y, so just enter should be enough, I guess. It's just downloading the kernel right now. Okay, so the installation is done. Let's go back to the documentation here. Verify that the application is working by listing all the containers. I'm just going to grab this and I'm just going to paste it here. Enter. Okay, so it seems that this is basically the docker image ls command. So I don't have any images because I haven't downloaded any. Yep, so I do get an empty list as it says here. Help container -- help. Okay, so it seems pretty similar to the docker command actually. Container ls, I guess -a means all. Remember that this video is part of a playlist. If you're not following, go and check out the previous videos. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. If you want to support me as well to keep this channel going, you can consider becoming a member. I'm going to leave a link in the video description as well. I hope this video was useful and I'll see you in the next video.